Google Sheets can handle formulas for words as well as numbers, and we can use the Countif function. So if we wanted to work out how many yeses there were in this list and how many nos, we can use a formula, and we're going to use the Countif formula. So I want to work out how many yeses, nos and maybes tracking across this entire document here. So I'm just going to use the equal sign. So start off over here. I'm going to use equals Countif, and that's the function we wanted to do. We're going to give it a range. So we're going to go all the way across here, this entire range, and I'm going to give it a condition now, and I want it to look for the word yes. So I'm going to put a comma in, and then because it's looking for text, I have to put it in quotes. It should be go green, correct, yes. So it's going to look for that exact spelling yes, and I'm going to close that with brackets. So if we're looking at this, Countif anything in the range C3 to G11 has the text string in lowercase yes. Let's enter here 5. But if I type in yes here, watch the number change to 6. So let's do the same thing again. No, let's do equals Countif brackets, do the range, so click from top left to bottom right, comma, and we're looking for a letter string, so it's going to be in green, yes, no, close, remember to close the double quotes, and then close the bracket, and then we can get a 3 from here. So again, if I type in no, let's use a bit of autofill in a moment, let's do maybes, let's do that again one more time, equals, and we'll do the range again, so be consistent, comma, double quotes, maybe, and enter. So we've got 1. So let's just do some autofill here. Let's just have a whole bunch of yeses and nos. Look how my numbers change. Let's do a maybe over here. Now we're going to do one more thing in a moment. So let's just put a range down here, and again all the changes change. Now if I typed in yes, let's look at it, let's see if yes changes. I put a capital Y in, it does change, so it's not case sensitive. Let's do a small n and a big O. Is no going to change? It does. It recognizes the text string. If we typed in n and a 0, nothing would happen. So you can have some inaccurate data entry and it will still pick it up for you.